moving boxes are the primary requirement to ensure the safety of belongings, as they are durable, efficient, easy to carry, and conveniently available. But is it necessary to pack everything in moving boxes? Let's see why moving companies want everything to be packed in moving boxes. Protect the belongings. In moving boxes, belongings are tightly packed and allow protection against any shocks and damage. For fragile items, you can add cushioning items like bubble wraps, airbags, towels, and old newspapers. These will prevent damage from shaking. Easy to handle. Moving boxes are easy to handle and do not require any training. After stuffing the boxes, make sure there is no space for shaking items inside the box, and add newspaper to fill the voids. Finally, seal tapes the boxes and label them for easy loading, unloading and unpacking. Conveniently available. You can find different types and sizes of moving boxes easily available online and in moving supply stores. Try to find free moving boxes to avoid additional expenses. Visit nearby retail stores to collect free supply boxes that can be used as moving boxes. Easy to pile up. Stacking moving boxes is easy as they are of uniform size and shape. This will help in the convenient loading of moving boxes on the dolly. As a result, the boxes won't slide in the truck during the drive and there are less chances of damage to the belongings. Box-packed items are easy to load and unload. You can pack several items in one moving box, and as a result, you can easily load multiple belongings into the moving truck at once. Will movers move items not packed in boxes? Several items cannot be packed in boxes, like furniture, electronic appliances, kitchen items, and more. But that does not mean that your movers won't move it. Though there are a few items that moving companies do not transport, including cash, jewelry, documents, and more. In full-service moving, movers will pack everything in the moving boxes, and the cost of moving boxes is included in the moving cost. So, book a full-service mover with Vanlines Move. Get a moving quote now at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800.